What's the meaning of brainwash? Brainwash. Brainwash.
Brainwash. Brainwash. Brainwash refers to the process of forcibly changing someone's beliefs, opinions, or attitudes through intense and often psychologically manipulative tactics. The result of brainwashing is a total shift in the individual's thinking and behavior, as they become completely indoctrinated and obedient to the group or ideology imposing the brainwashing. This can have serious consequences for the individual, such as loss of personal autonomy, emotional trauma, and even physical harm. Brainwashing is often associated with cults, extremist groups, and authoritarian regimes, where dissent and independent thought are suppressed in favor of blind loyalty to the group or leader.